production is hard. And this building is the most advanced car factory that Earth has ever seen.
Breaking news. Tesla's electric vehicle plants are currently ramping up production for the third quarter of this year, with the aim of surpassing their targets by the end of the year. This ambitious goal has the potential to generate a revenue of $300 million at Tesla factories, which is entirely feasible. What's more, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has emphatically emphasized that the revenue from Giga Texas alone could reach a staggering $100 million in just a single day. The question remains, how is the Giga Texas factory able to achieve such a remarkable financial milestone? Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating details and uncover the secrets behind Giga Texas's ability to generate such an immense amount of money within a 24-hour period. Let's begin. Exciting updates emerge from Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas. Recent reports indicate that production of the Model Y is progressing smoothly, with the factory achieving an impressive milestone. Despite its relatively recent opening, the Tesla EV production facility in Texas has already reached a production capacity of 5,000 cars a week. This remarkable accomplishment is worth celebrating. To put things into perspective, the Giga Texas factory currently manufactures approximately 833 Model Y units per day. The standard range all-wheel drive version of the Model Y, made in Texas, is priced at $61,990. Economic experts estimate that this translates to a daily revenue of around $51.6 million for Giga Texas. Astonishingly, this figure is even higher than the revenue generated by Tesla's Giga Berlin factory. Comparatively, the Giga Berlin factory, which started production in early June, produces nearly 1,000 cars per week, amounting to around 167 cars per day. The price of the Berlin-made Model Y is approximately $75,369, resulting in a daily revenue of approximately $12.6 million. As a result, the revenue at Giga Texas is 4 times higher than that of Giga Berlin. Now, Tesla has set an ambitious target of producing 10,000 vehicles per week at Giga Texas by the end of the year, equating to roughly 1,600 vehicles per day. This surge in production capacity could potentially catapult Giga Texas's daily revenue to a staggering $100 million. However, it's essential to note that this is an estimated total revenue, as the factory also incurs expenses such as worker wages and operational fees that will diminish the final revenue figure. Elon Musk has candidly acknowledged that both the Berlin and Austin factories are currently facing significant expenses. Describing them as gigantic money furnaces, Musk has highlighted the reality of Giga Texas. While the factory is poised to generate substantial revenue, it's crucial to consider the associated costs and challenges. The financial aspects surrounding Tesla's Giga Texas factory warrant a closer look. One of the challenges faced by the company is the need to consider increasing salaries for employees working at the facility. Texas, like many other regions, has experienced a surge in housing rents, high home prices, and limited availability of housing, particularly for first-time homebuyers. These factors contribute to the increased cost of living for Tesla's employees in the area, necessitating a review of their wages. Data indicates that salaries for Giga Texas employees span a range from $40,000 for lower positions to over $100,000 for higher positions. Additionally, Elon Musk has announced plans to hire an astounding 20,000 employees for Giga Texas as the factory expands. With such a substantial increase in the workforce, Tesla must allocate a significant amount of funds to cover the growing expenses associated with employee salaries. Beyond employee wages, the Giga Texas factory must also account for its operational and production costs. These expenses include the cost of electricity, water usage, procurement of raw materials, and other essential inputs necessary for the manufacturing process. Tesla's commitment to maintaining high production standards and efficiency requires substantial financial investments to ensure the smooth functioning of the factory. In response to the financial challenges at Giga Texas, Elon Musk has devised unique strategies to address the situation. One unconventional approach involves borrowing money from financial institutions. Even before the Giga Texas factory was operational, Musk actively sought capital by securing loans from different banks. These borrowed funds were then allocated to Tesla's factories, including Giga Texas. Notably, Musk borrowed $213 million from Goldman Sachs, $209 million from Morgan Stanley, and an additional $85 million from Bank of America. These capital injections played a crucial role in supporting the completion of Tesla's ambitious manufacturing facility. Moreover, Tesla has explored other avenues to secure loans from various sources, enabling them to invest in completing the construction of vital components and infrastructure at the Giga Texas factory. These strategic financial maneuvers have been instrumental in accelerating the progress of the factory's development. It is worth noting that Tesla's investment in the Giga Texas facility has been substantial. Reports suggest that the company has already injected over $1 billion into the Austin, Texas-based factory. This significant financial commitment underscores Tesla's determination to swiftly complete construction and commence operations at Giga Texas. As Tesla continues to navigate the financial landscape of Giga Texas, the company's innovative and calculated approach to addressing financial challenges ensures that the factory can thrive amidst the evolving economic conditions. The ongoing investment, strategic borrowing, and diligent cost management efforts reflect Tesla's commitment to making Giga Texas a highly successful and profitable venture. The construction of the Giga Texas factory involves several complex parts, and Tesla has utilized various financial strategies to support its development. One notable aspect is the possibility of a loan from the Texas government. Tesla's filing with the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation outlined the company's expenditures for different components of Giga Texas. The estimated spending includes $493 million for the General Assembly, $126 million for painting, $109 million for casting, $150 million for stamping, and $182 million for body and white operations. In addition to its own investments, Tesla has also received tax support from the local authorities. The company secured state and local tax breaks amounting to approximately $64 million to facilitate the construction of the Gigafactory in Austin, Texas. Proponents of the project viewed it as a unique opportunity that would bring transformation to the region. Tesla obtained tax incentives through two separate programs, namely Chapter 313 and Chapter 381 of the state's tax code. Chapter 313 is a tax limitation program that allows school districts to cap the property tax paid by businesses, limiting their taxable property value for a duration of 10 years. As part of this program, Del Valle Independent School District agreed to cap Tesla's property value at $80 million, resulting in estimated savings of $50.4 million over 15 years. Furthermore, Elon Musk revealed that the EV factory in Texas would require an investment of over $10 billion. This substantial amount will be allocated to developing the necessary facilities and acquiring equipment at Giga Texas. Initially, the Texas Gigafactory will focus on producing the Model Y, with an estimated annual production of 500,000 units. Tesla's future plans include manufacturing a single number of the highly anticipated Cybertruck pickup and the Tesla Semi long-haul trucks. Volume production of the Cybertruck and Tesla Semi is expected to commence in 2023 at this very factory. These ambitious investment plans demonstrate Tesla's commitment to establishing a strong manufacturing presence in Texas and meeting the high demand for its electric vehicles. By strategically leveraging loans, securing tax incentives, and making substantial capital investments, Tesla aims to position Giga Texas as a cornerstone of its global production network, capable of producing a substantial volume of vehicles to meet the growing market demand. There's no doubt that the Giga Texas factory is a hub of cutting-edge technology that is set to revolutionize Tesla's electric vehicle production. While the announcement of a working prototype of the Tesla Bot, also known as Optimus, by the end of the third quarter of 2022 created a buzz, it's just a small part of the technological marvel present at Giga Texas. One of the most remarkable advancements within the factory is the incredible die-casting machinery known as the Gigapress. This behemoth of a machine is Giga Texas's secret weapon, capable of supercharging Tesla's electric vehicle production capacity by a staggering 200%. The Gigapress is an integral component that enables the efficient and precise manufacturing of vehicle parts using advanced casting techniques. The Gigapress represents a significant leap forward in the world of automotive manufacturing. Its immense size and power allow for the rapid production of high-quality components that meet Tesla's stringent standards. By utilizing this state-of-the-art technology, Giga Texas is able to streamline its production processes and meet the growing demand for Tesla vehicles. The introduction of the Gigapress at Giga Texas demonstrates Tesla's commitment to pushing the boundaries of innovation in the automotive industry. This advanced machinery not only increases production capacity, but also enhances efficiency and ultimately leads to faster delivery of Tesla's electric vehicles to customers around the world. With the combination of technological wonders like the Gigapress, the potential for the Tesla bot, and other advancements yet to be unveiled, Giga Texas is poised to become a symbol of progress and excellence in the realm of electric vehicle manufacturing. As Tesla continues to invest in and develop these groundbreaking technologies, the future of Giga Texas looks brighter than ever, promising a new era of automotive production. That pretty much wraps this video up, guys. Thanks for watching. So, what are your thoughts about the shocking production speed of Giga Texas? Share with us in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel with a bell notification if you enjoy watching our content. We upload some awesome stuff here, which you will most certainly enjoy. Hit a like on this video and leave a comment below. See you guys in the next one.